irrational numbers on the number line. We know that every number, real or every real number can be expressed in a number line. That means real or irrational number or rational numbers. Okay. So now how to represent root 2, root 3, root 5 numbers on the number line. Okay. Okay. First of all, we'll show how to show root 2 on the number line. Okay. The PS already done this one and Pavans and look. First of all, should be on the number line. I'll give the note. Don't do anything now. Okay. I'll give the note. Okay. Here on the draw a number line. Then you mark it points 0, 1, 2, here minus 1, minus 2. Okay. Use a scale. You can take 2 centimeter, 1 unit, or 1 inch, 1 unit. DPS, how you did? 1 inch or 2 centimeter?
So first we did 2 centimeter and now we are doing 1 centimeter as
So 2 centimeter.
So 1 centimeter is very small, difficult to draw, man. Better you take 2 centimeter is 1 unit. Okay.
Okay.
Because 1 centimeter is very small, you cannot draw. Okay. So you can write scale here. Okay. Don't write now scale. 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay. 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay. 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. The top you are writing. Okay. Top you are writing, not down. Okay. Then that means every 2 centimeter mark it 1. 1, 2, 3 like this. Minus 1, minus 2 like this. Okay. Clear now? Nivedha, clear or not?
Yes, sir.
So that means every first step is what? First step draw a number line. Look. First draw a number line like this. Okay. Then here 0. As per the scale is 2 centimeter 1 unit. Here scale you are right top. You write scale, then 2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Every 2 centimeter. Or you can take 1 inch, up to you that. Okay. 1, 2, 3, here, minus 1, minus. Okay. Then, after that, the idea, look at here. You draw perpendicular here. This one, maybe you are using compass or protractor. Which one you are using, compass or protractor?
Protractor.
No, okay. Compass or protractor. Okay, try both. Okay, if you take the protractor, keep the protractor here and 90 here. Okay. If you are using the compass, look at here. Compass method I'll show you first. Keep the compass here, make an arc here, same arc here. What? I'll show here, look. Suppose you want to draw perpendicular here. Keep the compass here, one arc here like this. One arc, same here also. Same radius. Then from here, make an arc here, arc and draw. This is perpendicular. Okay. We're all using protractor, simple. Now need if you are using protractor, a symbol is keep the protractor here, the center, make a line with a 90 degree. And here also you take 1 unit. So O here, A here, B here. So this also 1 unit. Here also 1 unit. Okay. Then after that, join OB. Join OB. Okay, now look at here in triangle. You studied OA square plus AB square equal to OB square. You studied now. Which theorem is one? You studied
the Pythagoras theorem.
Pythagoras theorem.
Okay, OA square plus OB square equal to 1 OB square. So that means 1 square plus 1 square equal to OB square. So OB square equal to 2. OB equal to root 2. So this length is root 2. Then what to do? Take the compass, this arc here like this, an arc here. Okay, that means this will be the root 2. This length is root. From here to here, we can say OA, OB, equal to, this is D. OD equal to root. If you go to this side, minus root. Clear or not? I'll give the steps of construction, then you can start. Okay. Right. Okay. Okay. First write steps of construction. Steps of construction. Steps of construction. Okay. Steps of construction. Okay. First, draw steps of construction number 1. Draw X, this is X, O, X dash. Draw X, O, X dash, and mark O as 0. Here is 0. X, O, okay, here is 0. That's the first line. Okay, I'll show you again. Look, I'll show you again. Look at here, based on the steps. The steps important thing. Okay, look. First, draw X dash. This is O. That is 0. Okay. Okay. Then, second step. Take OA is 1 unit. OA 1 unit. Before that, when you draw, you have to write that scale. Okay. OA 1 unit. This is 1 unit. 1. Okay. Step number 3. Draw AB perpendicular to OX. AB perpendicular to AX. AB draw AB perpendicular to OX and cut off AB equal to 1 unit. This is also 1 unit. Okay. Then step number 3.
Sir, AB perpendicular to
OX from here. Perpendicular to OX.
Now we have to write this.
Yeah, you're right. You're right. Okay, then I'll give the note. Once again, right. Steps of construction. Right. It's a part of the answer. Steps of construction. Okay. 1. Draw X O X dash. Draw X O X dash. And mark OA equal to 1 centimeter. And mark OA equal to 1 centimeter. Okay. OA equal to 1 centimeter. Step number 2. Draw AB perpendicular to OX. Draw AB perpendicular to OX and cut
so
off.
this is third point you said. Draw
No.
AB perpendicular to OX.
Okay, first is what? First is draw X O X dash. Okay, and mark O.
And mark O.
Then second part.
Take
Take
OA 1 unit.
Okay. Third, AB perpendicular to OX and cut off AB equal to 1 unit. Okay. Now look at here. This perpendicular. If you are using protractor, So quite simple. Okay. One minute, let me check the protractor. Okay, so keep the protractor here. Okay, if you are using compass, look, if you are using compass, keep the compass first here, make an arc here, like this, arc, cut here. GIS with GIS bubbles and all with compass only. Replace only protractor. Okay. Then from here, you mark it an arc here, an arc like this. Is it okay? Bhagyasri,
Yes, sir. It is okay.
you are using a protractor or compass? Look, if you are using protractor, very simple. Just keep it like this. Look, there is a 90. Just draw a line. Simple. Okay, then next step. Join OA. Join OA. Okay. Next step, join OA. Okay, then next step. With O as center, with O as center, with O as center, with O as center, OB as radius, OB as radius, with O as center, OB as radius, OB as radius, OB as radius. Draw an arc, draw an arc, draw an arc intersecting OX at C. Intersecting OX at C. That means this one. Look, like this. Understood? Look. OB as radius. This is C. Okay. What I said, with O as center, OB as radius, draw an arc intersecting OX at C. Then finish. Next slide. No number. Thus, OC equal to root 2. OC equal to root 2. Okay, root 2. Just write OC equal to root 2. Okay, draw now. Draw and send.
Okay, sir. Sir, in WhatsApp?
Yeah.
Sir, in WhatsApp you have to send?
Your figure after drawing, send it.
Sir, but my father is in the office, so
Okay.
I'm not able to.
Okay, now after that you send it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Sir, I can't also send. My mother went to outside.
Okay, no problem. Then after that you send it. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Send it down. Okay. Shreyasi, is it okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay, where the scale? You didn't write the scale. You didn't write the scale. You write top
Oh, okay, sir.
scale
Right.
equal.
Okay,
That's
sir.
important thing. Scale equal to 1 centimeter equal to 2 unit. Sorry,
Okay, sir.
2 centimeter equal to 1 unit. Okay. Who is her name? Okay, this is okay. Ragan, what is the name? Name, your name. But write the name.
Ashwin. Okay.
Sir, I sent it.
Okay, let me check. Ashwin is okay, correct. Ashwin, correct. Milan. Hey, Milan, what do you write? Come on, Milan. No, this is not straight line. Milan, look at here. Hello, Milan, look. Keep the compass like this. Okay? Hello. Keep the compass. Hello, you see the compass? Hello, Milan. The compass like this. Okay? Then arc only, not straight line, arc. Like this. It's an arc. Why net issue? Okay. No problem. Later I send it. Okay. Niveda, you draw and send it. Milan, it's wrong.
Sir, we have to draw the arc by keeping the points over, right?
I told you, listen. With the center O, keep the compass here. Okay? Look at it with the compass here. Understood or not? The sharpened pencil here, like this. And make an arc like this. Okay? Niveda, I didn't get it. Serena, okay, let me check. Serena, this AC is it 2 centimeters? 2 centimeters there, sure? AC 2 centimeters, sure or not?
Yes, sir.
And what about the protractor? Use the protractor, right? No. Use the protractor or compass?
Yes, sir.
What else?
Protractor.
Your school protractor using, right or no?
Yes.
Okay, then okay, no problem. Where the scale were? Oh, you not scale, okay. Okay. Why every day you are new mobile using? Your old message is not there. Okay, Divansh. ML. ML. How much
Yes, sir.
AB, how many centimeters? Just check with your scale.
2
AB, how,
centimeters.
your 2 centimeter?
Yes, sir.
What about OA, how much?
That also 2 centimeter.
Then okay. Because I cannot check. Okay. And the L Sharon. Okay. Okay, this is okay. You're using protractor, right or no? Okay. Mandar.
Yes, sir. I'm using protractor.
Okay. School allowed protractor, right?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. So then, okay. Divansh, let me check. Divansh, come on. Why one line here? Straight line here? It's not needed. It's an arc, man. Divansh, it's an arc. See, keep the compass here. It's an arc. Arc like what? Curve. It's an arc, not like this. Okay. Maharshi, where's the scale? Hello. Where's the scale? Hello. What's the name? This one. Maharshi.
Can you hear me?
Maharshi, where's the scale? You didn't write the scale.
Oh, sorry, sir. I'll write it now.
Milan. Okay.
I'll resend the picture.
Milan. Hello, Milan. Hello, Milan.
Yes.
Okay. Where you kept the compass first? The arc at O? Milan.
Sir,
Eh? At O, right? Is it
Yes.
okay or not? You kept the compass here, right?
yes, sir.
And
Yes,
pencil were at B. Pencil at B. Milan, it's on the
Yes,
camera.
yes.
Let me- You on the camera? Okay, show me where is your. Okay, where is your book? Show me. Show me your book. No, where you're. I can see. I cannot see where you're drawing. Come on, man. Keep the compass here. Okay, listen, Milan. Look, keep the compass here. The pencil end here, like this. Okay, understood? Then mark it. I think you did like this. I think you kept A. Pencil on the A, right? Okay, draw again. Okay, draw again. Close it. Okay, so next guys. Shreyasi, okay? It's okay now, okay.
Okay, sir.
Nia. Why this red color? So many arc is there, okay. Nia. Okay, you didn't write scale, Nia. Scale is there, okay. You write OC equal to root 2 near OC equal to root 2. OC equal to root 2. So now clear all. Ashwant.
Yes, sir.
Arna, I didn't get it.
So my mother is sending it now.
Okay, okay. Okay, so now next, Aditya. I didn't get your graph. Aditya,
Yes,
where is the graph? Where is the work? Jyotsna.
my mother went outside, so she'll.
Okay, okay. So I need that one. Jyotsna, Kartikeya, Kishore sent already. Okay, Roshan. I didn't see Roshan. Without this, I cannot start next one. Okay.
So did you get mine, Karthikeya?
Yeah. I can hear.
So Karthikeya, did you get mine?
Kartikeya, yes. Your name Kartikeya, right?
Okay. Yeah, sir.
Okay. Where is the okay? Okay. So Priyanshu. Priyanshu said later. Okay. So okay. So now who are okay. So now this is finished. Okay. Now look at here. We have to justify it. Hello. We have to justify why this is root 2. Look at here. That is a part of the answer. Look, the construction. When you draw, you have to write steps of construction, justification. Now we are on justification. Look, in triangle, look at here. In triangle OAB, OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. Pythagoras theorem. That is 1 square plus 1 square equal to 1 plus 1 equal to 2. Therefore, OB equal to root 2 equal to OC. This is the justification. Right. That's the justification. This Aditya and Jyotsna. Jyotsna, you are in India?
Sir, OA square plus
OA square plus AB square. AB square. Hello. Aditya and Jyotsna. You are in India?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Which area?
Sir, Bangalore.
So that's why we late. Yeah, you're right. Who will right? Right. Right justification. Right justification. OB square equal to
Sir, root 2 is
OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. 1 square plus 1 square. 1 plus 1 equal to 2. OB equal to root 2 equal to OC equal to OC. Okay. Clear now?
Okay.
So for the test, should we write the steps for construction?
Yes, it's a part.
Okay, sir.
When you order idli or dosha, they will give you sambar and chutney, no?
Yes.
Okay, it's a part. You'll accept only idli only.
No, sir.
Will you accept or not?
No, sir.
So like that, it's a part of the answer. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay, finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay, everyone okay now? Understood how to? Is it okay for you? The audio is clear or not? Because I'm using another mic. Is it okay? Better than before?
Yes, that's clear.
Okay.
Yes, sir. It's clear.
Okay, right. That means listen here. When you to draw root two, construction, steps of construction, justification. Okay. Now, are you okay? Niveda, is it okay all?
Yes, sir.
Right. Ellen, Roshan, I didn't get you. Not. Who's the Roshan? Hello, Roshan. Hello, Roshan. You're here or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Why you're responding?
Sir, I'll send, sir. 1 minute.
No, you wrote the test yesterday.
Yes, sir.
Which name is sent? Which number is sent? Hello,
That's
Roshan.
my mother's phone I sent.
Okay, what is the number? Let me check.
60036464.
6 double
003
Ah,
6464.
let me check. 6 0 6003. You got correct right now? Yeah, you got correct. Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Okay. So now next one, right? Not finished. Roshan, finish it first. I'm waiting. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. So next one, right? Represent root 3 on the number line. Represent root 3 on the number line. Represent root 3 on the number line. Okay. Look at here. To draw root 3, first of all, you can draw root 2. Okay. I don't know which method you school you did. Okay. I'll show you. First, you draw root 2. Hello. First, draw root 2. After that, you make another perpendicular here, like this. Okay. Look. First, draw. First root 2. You make. Hello. Do one thing. Write the question. Draw. Represent root 3 on the number line. Represent root 3 on the number line. Okay. First, draw root 2. First of all, draw root 2 again. First, root 2. First, root. First, root 2 again. Try first. Okay. Look. Hello. I'll give a hint. Listen. Look. First you draw root 2. After that, listen out. Then again, make protractor again 1. Again 1. O, A, B, C only use D here. And join. Okay. Okay, write the step. Okay, you finish the root 2.
So BD should be 1 unit, right?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay. Okay.
Yes.
Done.
Now, not to send it. Okay. I'll ask you some people to send. Milan to send. What we'll do? Come on. Those who are using protractor symbol. Otherwise, compass team keep the here, an arc here, and arc here. Nia, Gulfinjan and Bhavans. Look, keep the compass here. Tick. From here one arc, here one arc, and join. Nia, understood or not? Hello.
Yes.
So Niveda, okay. Niveda, okay. No. Okay. So after that, take the compass here, another arc like this. I'll give the okay. Steps I'll give you. Hello. I'll give the steps. Hello. Okay. Steps at B, right? At B, draw BD perpendicular to OB. You continue the step after root 2. You're not like this now. At B, draw OD perpendicular to OB. Then join OD. Join OD. Join OD.
So can you repeat?
Okay. First of all, you write up to the steps of root 2. You join OB. After that, you write. Not root 2, up to OB, you write. Understood or not? You copy the note, copy the note of previous question up to OB. Then after that, draw BD because C already used that, right? Okay. Or we can use a fresh one. Okay. Draw BC. Draw BC perpendicular to OB. BC perpendicular to draw BC perpendicular to OB. Okay. What did it? Draw BC because now see here. Okay. Once again, look. Hello. We are going to draw direct root 3. Listen here. Direct root 3. Listen. Okay. This one A, B, C here 90 degrees. Join. Then arc here like this. Okay. Okay, we're all finished. Send me.
So should we send the photo of this one also?
Yeah, send it. Let me check. Because construction now, not like answer. Answer, okay. You got this answer or 25, 35, like this. Not like that. I have to see.
Sir, what is the justification?
Justification I'll give you. Don't worry. Construct it first. Justification, leave it. Okay. Okay. Niveda, finish. There, Divansh. Priyanshu, finish or not? Roshan, finish. Note 3.
Yes, sir. Finish.
Okay. Now write the justification. Hello. Write the justification. Right. In triangle OBC, OC square equal to OB square plus BC square. Okay. OB is root 2. Root 2 whole square plus 1 square. Root 2 square is 2. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. Therefore, OC equal to root 3 equal to D, OD. Actually, here is the root 3. Okay. Clear now? Okay. Okay, finish now.
Yes.
Sir, can you explain me the steps of construction once again?
Sir, OC is equals to root 3 is equals to.
Wait. Look at here. You understood root 2 understood or no? Root 2 understood or no?
Yes.
Okay. Pura ask the doubt. Okay. After that, draw BC perpendicular to OB. Draw BC perpendicular to OB. How it make this one with what? Who asked the doubt? Who asked the doubt?
Sir, I asked the doubt, sir. I have confusion in constructing.
Okay, listen. You are using protractor or compass.
Sir, protractor.
Okay, then simple. Look at here. You keep the protractor. Look, keep the protractor, look here. Keep the protractor here. Then 90, you mark it, draw. Okay. The protractor, keep the protractor here. How we did here? Same. Draw a line like this. Then you make BC 1. That means 2 centimeters. Then join OC. Now clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Then after that, with O as center, OC as radius, make an arc. Okay. Then justification in triangle OBC. OC square equal to OB square plus BC square. Root 2 whole square plus 1 square. 2 plus 1 equal to 3. OC equal to root 3. This figure is wrong. Hello, where is the arc? This guy. Ashwant,
Yes, sir.
where is the arc? He sent me the figure, no? Where is the arc?
Sir, I drew, sir.
No, who this one? Name. Write your name when you send. Who sent not just now? Karthikeya. Yes, Karthikeya. Yeah, without arc you send it. After that, this arc we need. Where is the arc? Hello. No arc. Within where is your? I didn't see any graph. You didn't send me. Within where is your side sheet? Where is your graph?
Sir, I send it to you.
Okay, where is within? Okay, and where? Hello, Veda. Vera,
Yes, sir.
where is your Vera? Not Nia.
Sir,
Hello. Where is your? Okay, you're both the same. Okay. Serena. Okay. Now we are going to do another. Now, yes, this is correct. Serena is correct. Okay. Okay. Now next one. Right. Draw root 5 on the number line. Draw root 5 on the number line. Draw root 5 on the number line. Why, Niveda, your picture of red color?
sir, it's because of the light.
Which light? Your study room red light?
No, sir, it's faced to the wall, which is red, so that reflection is coming.
Okay, no problem. Okay, so next question. Draw root 5 on the number line. 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 Okay, look at it. Look. Look at here. Root 5. Listen. First of all, the 5 you have to split into 2. Okay. With the 2 perfect squares. With the 2 perfect squares sum. Understood or not? 5 split into 2. Okay. Like 5 equal to 4 plus 1. 4 is a perfect square. 1 also perfect square. Correct or not? Like 8. 4 plus 4. Right? 13. 9 plus 4. Both are perfect square. Like this, you have to split it. What I said, understood or not? 5 equal to 4 plus 1. Because 4 is a perfect square. 1 also perfect square. 8, 4 plus 1. Both are perfect square. 13, 9 plus 4. Both are perfect. You understood what are the perfect squares? What do you mean by perfect squares? Understood or not?
Yes,
So,
sir.
because 1, 4, 9, 16, 25, 25, 36, 49. These are called perfect squares. Okay. So accordingly, 5 equal to 4 plus 1. 8, 4 plus 4. 13, 8. 8 we cannot write 6 and 2. Understood? 8 we cannot 6 and 2. 14, 5. There is another way. Not 3 plus 2. 5, don't write 3 plus 2, right? 4 plus 1. 30, 9 plus 4. Don't write 10 plus 3 like this. What I said, understood or not? Make into 2 sum of the 2 perfect squares. Sum of the 2 perfect squares. Is it okay or not? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes.
The number,
Yes, sir.
the number, what you have to draw, make it the sum of 2 perfect squares. For example, 8, 4 plus 4, not 1 plus 7. 1 is not a perfect, 1 is a perfect square, but 7 not a perfect square. 13, 10 plus 3, both are not perfect square. We can write 9 plus 4. Okay. Now, how to make it root 5? Listen. Done right now. I'll give the note. First of all, a number line. Okay. Here 0. Take 1. Okay. Here OA 2 unit. Here 2 unit. For example, look. 5 square equal to 5 equal to 4 plus 1. 5 equal to 4 plus 1. That is 2 square plus 1. 5 equal to 4 plus 1. That is 2 square plus 1. So we take 2 here, 2 unit. That is A. OA equal to 2 unit. AB 1 unit. AB 1 unit. And join OB. Join OB. Then what? With O as center, OB are radius taken out. This is root 5. This is now OA, OB equal to OC, OB equal to OC equal to root 5. Okay, I'll get it down. Right. Okay, right. Question. Draw root 5 on the number line. Draw root 5 on the number line. Draw root 5 on the number line. Okay, then first step number 1. Draw number line. Draw number line. X O X dash. X O X dash. X O X dash. Look at here. If there is no arrow here, they will cut half mark. Clear or not? If there is no arrow here, they will cut half mark. Here arrow, half mark. So 1 mark will cut straight away. Are you okay or not? You understood what I said? If there is no arrow, half mark will cut. Because the
Yes,
number.
sir, understood.
Because this is a number line, not a line segment. Okay. Then draw a number line X O X dash. Okay. Then step number 2. Let the point the point O represent 0. Let the point O represent 0. Okay. That means this point is 0 here, O here. Okay. Then step number 2. Step number 3. Mark OA equal to 2 unit. Mark the point A. That is OA equal to 2 unit. OA equal to 2 unit. 2 unit means 4 centimeter. Here 2 centimeter. Here 2 centimeter. 2 unit. Then step number. Which number? Next step is which number?
Sir, 4.
Step 4.
Okay. Draw AB. Draw AB perpendicular to OX. AB perpendicular to OX. Without steps, when you read the steps, you can draw it. Okay. Draw AB perpendicular to OX. Then. And AB equal to 1 unit. AB equal to 1 unit. AB equal to 1 unit. Then. Next one. Join OB. Join OB. Join OB. Okay. Next. With O as center. With O as center. With O as center. OB as radius. With O as center. OB as radius. Draw an arc. With O as center. OB. With O as center. OB as radius. Draw an arc which intersect the lines, which intersect the number line at C. Number line at C. Last line. Then OB equal to OC equal to root 5.
Which intersect?
Yeah?
Which intersect?
Which intersect the number line, which intersect OX, which intersect OX at C. Which intersect OX at C. Last line. OB equal to OC equal to root 5. OB equal to OC equal to root 5. Is it okay now? You want to write? You want to give steps again? Hello. You want to explain again? Anyone?
No, sir.
You can write. Then draw down. Okay. Just hello. Just listen. I'll give the steps of construction again. Hello. Just listen. 1. Draw number line X O X dash. Okay. 2. Let the point O represent 0. 3. Point A. Mark a point A. Okay. Such that OA equal to 2 unit. Next. Draw perpendicular AB such that AB equal to 1 unit. Next. Join OB. Next. Draw an with O as center, OB as radius, draw an arc which intersect OX at C. Last. OB equal to OC equal to root 5. Okay, draw that. Draw and send me. After that, I'll give you steps of justification. Divansh. Hello. Divansh. Hello, Divansh. Okay, your arc is not, you didn't use the compass. This is a free hand, man. You don't have compass? No, this is not compass. This is not a compass. You did what? just like this. See, it is like this. It's not a compass. Compass means not just pure good arc. It didn't use the arc here. Okay, make with the compass and draw again. So let's see. Root 5. Okay, good. So let's see. It's correct. Okay. Now you can let this.
Okay, sir.
Yes, I see. I think you are what do you call it? Yeah, correct. Okay. Now I'll
Okay,
give this. Finish it fast, then I'll give the justification. Okay. Okay, finish. Okay, yeah, correct. Jayadida, this one where is saying OA is two unit? You're sure? And number line, you're sure here. Look, I mark here now 1, 2, like that. Okay, you didn't do that. Aditya, you didn't mark it 1, 2. Where? It's just drawing only. Aditya corrected that.
Okay, sir.
Emil Susan.
Yes, sir.
Emil, you from which place? Tamil.
Manga,
I know Manga. In India, where?
Kerala,
Where? Which location?
Alapura,
Where? Hey, you don't know your
I
place.
don't know.
Huh?
I don't know.
Okay. So let me ask all. Okay, let me check because you are the all. Aditya, you are from Bangalore. Okay, Arna, Bangalore, Arna.
No, sir. I'm from Goa.
Goa. Okay. Okay, I thought Bangalore. Ashwant,
Yes, sir.
which place?
Sir, Tamil Nadu, sir.
Which area? Tamil Nadu?
Parents is from Chennai and no, one parent is from Chennai and another one is from Trichy, sir.
Trichy. Okay. Okay. Bhagyasri, Tamil Nadu. Hello, Bhagyasri. Bhagyasri, I can't hear anything. Is it talking or not? Okay. Divansh, which location? Divansh. Hello? Divansh, you're from which location in India? I know you're from Kuwait, I know. India, which location? Gujarat, okay. Janmay, where?
Sir, from Gujarat.
Gujarat, okay. Kartikeya,
Sir, can you hear me now?
yeah?
Sir, can you hear me?
Yeah, now okay. You're from which place? Tamil Nadu?
Karnataka.
Karnataka, okay. Your sister, which year studied?
Sir, now she's in 12th, 2 years or 3 years ago.
Okay. Georgetown, which location?
Sir, same Bangalore.
Bangalore, okay. Kishore, Tamil Nadu. Kishore, Tamil Nadu, right? Which location? Tamil Nadu.
Sir, near Tirchi.
Maharshi, which
Yes,
location?
sir, from Gujarat.
Gujarat, okay. Kishore, okay. Milan, okay. Niveda, I know. Priyanshu, Gujarat. Correct or no?
Yes, sir, from Gujarat.
Okay. Shivan. Which
Yes,
location?
sir.
Which location?
Gujarat.
Gujarat, okay.
Hello, sir.
Sayasi,
Hello.
Yes, sir.
which location?
Sir, West Bengal.
Oh, West Bengal, okay. Good. Okay. Ved,
Sir, am I audible?
yeah?
Sir, am I audible now?
Yeah, now okay,
Right.
yes. Within Vignesh, which location?
So Tamil Nadu.
Which location? Yeah.
Sir, my father in Sivagiri and my mother in Tengasi.
Right. Okay, so now, okay, look. Okay, so you didn't ask me from which place. I asked you about you. You didn't ask me about me. Okay, so I get the justification, right? Right. OA, I get root 5 finished now. I get justification, okay or not? Hello, I gave the note or
Yes.
not? I gave the note
Sir,
or not?
justification. No, sir.
Okay, that's right.
No,
In
sir.
triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, in triangle OAB, OS OB square equal to OA square plus AB square. That is 2 square plus 1 square equal to 4 plus 1 equal to 5. Therefore, OB equal to root 5 equal to OB equal to root 5 equal to OC, right? OB equal to root 5 equal to OC. Okay. Okay, so next, now what to do? Okay, can you try yourself root 8? Can you try root 8? Hello, can you try root 8 on the number line? Is it okay for you? So next class we have started with chapter polynomial. Okay, you try
Okay,
root
sir.
8. Idea understood now? Idea what I said. Splitting
Yes,
into
sir, understood.
Yes, sir, understood.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, understood.
Okay, then right. Are you getting now? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I think you did this way. Look. First number line. Okay. First, if you want, you can check 8 equal to 4 plus 4. 2 square plus 2 square. So 1, 2. Here 2. O, A. Here also 2. 1, 2. You did like this, right? Here 2, here 2. Is it okay? You did like this, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, one more construction there is. One more construction, okay. Okay, finish it first, then write the justification. Okay, so finished, no? Justification all finished. Now you are going to another. Right. Are you okay? All, come on. Anyone have a doubt? Tell me first. And how many exercise you have polynomial test? Only 2.
1.3, 1.1, 1.2, and 1.3, sir.
Okay,
Yes, sir.
that is simple, I think. 1 point. Yeah, that is simple. Oh, 1.3 there is. Yeah, okay, that's simple. Simple only. So we can finish it 2 or 3 classes. Then we will do complete revisions.
Okay, sir.
So now we write next one. Because this chapter we spent, now today is what? 19. Okay. Almost 1 month now. Still not finished. Right. Represent root of 9.3 on the number line. Represent root of 9.3 on the number line. Right first. Represent root of 9.3 on the number line. Okay. Represent root of 9.3 on the number line. Okay. Then first write steps of construction. Steps of construction. Right. Draw a line. Draw a line. Draw a line. Draw a line and mark a point A on it. Mark a point A on it. Draw a line. Draw a line and mark a point on it. Okay. What is that? Look. A big line. Okay. A point A here. Okay. Don't draw now. Just listen here. Mark a point A on it. Okay. Then mark a point B. Step number 2. Mark a point B. Mark a point B on the line such that AB equal to 9.3. AB equal to 9.3. This length is 9.3 centimeter. 9.3 centimeter. 9.3 centimeter with scale. Okay. Then step 3. Mark a point C. Mark a point C. Mark a point C on AB. Mark a point C on AB such that BC equal to 1 centimeter. BC 1 centimeter. BC 1 centimeter. Okay, one easy way. Hello. One easy way. Take the scale 10.3. Then together 9.3. You can mark like that. Understood what I said? Take the scale all together 9.3
Yes, sir.
one mark, 10.3 another mark. Clear or not? Instead of taking one
Yes,
step
sir.
simply. Instead of Sarina.
Yes, sir.
Srayashi. Ved. Niveda.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Instead of taking separate, take a big scale. Take a big scale. 9.3 and 10.3 together. Okay. Then next line. Next one. Find the midpoint of draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. 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 You know how to draw perpendicular bisector? Look at it. Take the compass, take more than half an arc here. Arc here. From here arc, here arc. This is perpendicular bisector. Understood or not? Perpendicular bisector, understood or not? Look, suppose AB 10 centimeter. Keep compass here, arc here, down arc, from here arc, arc. That means you will get here 5, here 5. Are you okay or not? How to draw perpendicular bisector?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Okay, let draw the perpendicular bisector of. Okay, draw the perpendicular bisector of. Let the midpoint O is the midpoint. Here mark let O is the midpoint of AC. O the midpoint of AC. Then next, taking O as center, taking O as center, taking O as center. Taking O as center, OC equal to OA. OC equal to OA as radius. Draw a semicircle. Draw a semicircle like this. Here, center, draw a semicircle. Gulf Indian, guys, understood or not? What I said. Once again, I'll tell you. Look. Hello. Once again, look. Hello. Listen all. First, a line, a big line. Okay. Then a big line. Then A here. From here, B, 9.3 centimeter. Here, C, 1 centimeter. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Arc here and arc here. From here, arc. Yeah. This is O. With O as center, keep the compass here, a semicircle line. Up here, okay or not? Steps clear? Steps clear or not?
Yes, sir.
Now,
Yes, sir.
next one, taking B as center. Then, next one, draw L. Draw at B, draw perpendicular to. Draw at B, draw perpendicular. A perpendicular, which intersects semicircle at D. At B, draw OD. At B, draw perpendicular. At B, draw perpendicular to OB, perpendicular to OB, which intersects the semicircle at D. Which intersects the semicircle at D. Okay. Then, taking B as center, taking next last step, taking B as center, BD as radius. Taking B as center, taking B as center, BD as radius. Draw an arc. E. That means BD equal to BE equal to root of 9.3. BD equal to BE equal to root of 9.3.
Okay, sir.
Get it right? Is it okay now? Get it right? Okay, you try it now.
Yes, sir.
Try first. Okay, finish. Nimada, finish.
Yes, sir.
Okay, those who finish, hello, those who finish, you try with a 9 centimeter, root of 9. Just for a practice. After finishing, you try root of 9. How much you will get it? You're supposed to get this length exact 3. BD should be exactly 3. Then only correct. Are you okay or not?
Yes, sir.
Okay, I want to see, draw that. Hello. After this class, you take some rest. I need today, you are finishing that. Root of 9 on the number line. Root of 9. Not now. Root of 9. Then you measure BD with scale. With the scale you measure. You should get BD how much? 3 centimeters. Then correct. Correct? And root of 9 is 3 centimeters only.
Sir, can you explain this one again? Once
This
again.
one. Okay. Look at here. First of all, listen. Look. First. Hello.
So we have to use the same process for making the root 9 number.
Yeah, okay, wait. Listen. First number line. Make a point A. Okay. Then take B. 9.3. Here C 1. Okay. Here now who asked doubt? AB 9.3, BC 1 centimeter. You can take 10 points together. Then draw the perpendicular bisector of AC. Perpendicular bisector of AC. That means take an arc from here more than half. Anyone have doubt how to make the perpendicular bisector? Because
No,
I have
sir.
limitation. I have limitation how to show that. Is it okay or not?
Yes, no, sir. No doubt.
This is O. Then with O as center, OA radius a semicircle. Touch C. Touch A and C, not B. Okay. Then draw perpendicular here with the compass or protractor. Up to you. BD. Measure BD. BD equal to root of 9.2. Maybe your school making some schools they draw another line and marking. Your class doing like that?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Like this only.
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Then okay. After that, draw root of 9. Root of 9, you draw it and measure. You should get exactly 3 and send. Okay.
Okay, sir.
That's enough today. Next class I'll start new chapter. Okay.
Okay, sir.